They've been here since we were ready at 1:30 in the afternoon. Our chairman, Mr. Boying Martelino, left of your screen. Our president, Mr. Vicky Palu.
Yung nostalgic moments nyo.
Sobra. Sobra. Medyo malayong tinilakbay nung kwentuhan namin.
Layo.
This is a good game. You're enjoying it, I'm sure. Salak looks back. Sinundot. Valdez. Hello, sabi niya.
Oh, but that's too much. No spin. Cassini. Tama naman yung pwepwestohan niya eh, no? Maganda naman sana yung pagdadala niya ng bola.
I love her facial expression, whether she connects or does not. Nyeps or maganda. I don't know the other word. Ooh, good read by Banatikla.
And look at her follow the ball. Yun ang tama sila ni Gohig. Tinitingnan nila, umaatras din sila
Good
at the
point.
same time.
Little basics of the game, ha?
Ay, kita mo naman yung, ang dali na kasi nitong court na to. Tulad sa atin dati, pare-pareho yung flooring. Linya lang ang diferensya. Ito ngayon, iba yung kulay eh. Easier.
Free ball all of a sudden.
Oh! Oh, goodness. Eliza Valdez.
Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. Watch this.
This deserves a second, third, fourth, fifth look. Napakaganda.
Yes, Valdez on one side, we have Gonzaga on the other side.
Yep.
Boy, this is a dandy. 18-16. Alarca, regalo!
Cassini taking that early Christmas present. Minsan kasi masyado yung mga teki natin na tayo naman talagang ano lang eh. Usap-usap lang, text-text lang.
Wow, what a second win by Smart.
That's right, so Tornes with an ace.
Army took the first two sets. Smart played not good enough in the second, but the third set was different for them. That's too long.
Napalakas ng konti. So, you know, Army is still in this set.
Oh, yes. Gonzaga has been stellar here today.
Oh, sharp serve. Oh, Cassini trying to go for check balls, actually.
18-20. Handa ko na yung makakasakaling ginawin tayo rito. Magtagal pa to ng 5 sets.
Alam ko, inahanda mo na may shaky speed sa mo. Eliza Valdez, once again, with a powerful spike, powerful open hit.
Parang sinabi, hi, Ate Rachel.
Ito na naman eh.
Siyempre, magkakampi sila ng
Sabi
first
niya, may
conference.
Gonzaga kayo? Dito naman.
Andito naman ako.
Diyan naman si Eliza.
Cassini. Loaded. Oh, tinaas. Wala sa pwesto si Rachel.
Mukhang papunta tayo doon.
With the rested Ging Bounce. Dakis wants one.
Oh,
She wants one. Just give me one.
Rachel Dakis, teka muna ha.
Dakis uncorking and delivering. 19-22. Oh, it became a free ball. Misread. Dakis. Toss. Easy ball. Nice quick. Alarca nailed it.
And Salak knew they were in disarray. Yung defense ng Smart.
And that was a quick decision, huh?
Yes.
Shakey's for Fun Family Pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's.
Nakita niya eh, nagkakagulo dun sa loob eh.
Oh, smart play. Smart play. And
they thought it was already a violation, a double violation. Double lang gustong sinasabi ni Coach Rico.
They won't get it that way. 23-20. They're still thinking of that play. That's the fourth touch. That's a double.
Double. Kasi kay Bunag.
Kay Bunag pa lang.
Yes.
Now Army's just frustrated. They were hoping for a call that would change the mood of the game. Free ball. Ay, tapos. Fifth set tayo. Nabuhayan ng Smart.
Yep, and along with the crowd here at the arena.
And we will now, why not, go into a fifth set. We'll decide which side goes to which side, and we'll take a break. We'll send you away just for a while with the Shake It Play.